Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again. Tonight I'm going to do some more SheleeArt blooms from a color scheme that I had seen on a Facebook group. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I'm at least going to give it a try. First colors, or the color schemes that I'm going to use is a golden high flow magenta, which was the first color you saw, followed by a TLP mermaid color. Again, this one was mixed up a little bit different, so it is a little bit thicker than my other paints. This is another TLP color. I believe it's velvet, which is like an interference blue color. And I'm going to add in a little bit of gold, or not golden, but color art, interference gold, with another TLP color, velvet. And yeah, cell activator is going to be black. And I'm going to do a couple of blowouts on this and just see if I like it that way. Otherwise, if I don't, then I'm going to just go ahead and do some swipes on these. I don't know, for some reason, whenever I blow out on the hexagon tiles, I just never do a good job of it. So if I don't like it, again, like I said, I'm going to go back to swiping on these. For some reason, I can do a swipe on these a lot better than the blowouts. Again, looking at how theirs turned out versus how this is turning out, it's not really looking the same. But I mean, I love the colors on it. I mean, they're very bright, vibrant, and this video does not do it justice, nor does a picture. So that is kind of a shame. Again, I didn't like that one, so I'm going to do another blowout and try to change it up a little bit. I wanted more of the mermaid color, so it is what it is. You never know what you get, especially with this type of artwork. I will be sadly not in this one, but in another video I will move my camera a little bit whenever I blow out the cell activator to actually show you how I do it. I'm not saying I'm a pro like Shelee and all them, but it gets the job done on doing this type of artwork. Again, hope everybody's been doing good. So yeah, if anybody has any color combinations they want me to try, just shoot me a message or leave a comment. Again, like, the hardest thing for me to do is figure out what colors I want to use. Or if you want to see something else other than Shelee, then tell me what you want to see. Dutch pour, ring pour, just whatever. I know I haven't done that in a while. But yeah, like this right here, I can see a butterfly, but I'm not going to keep it. I don't like it. So we're going to go with some swipes. I don't have a rhyme or reason why I just can't do this on a hexagon with the blowouts, but yeah. So I'm going to put on some music again, and I'll come back here in a little while and get you down for a closer look. Alright everybody, I'm back. Yeah, so I came in to paint. Actually got permission, you know, because normally right now it's kids watch a cartoon right before bed, have a snack, and yeah, then it's the bedtime routine. So I had 30 minutes to do these 3 tiles, and right now my time is running out, let me tell you. It was partly my fault because, you know, after I swipe or pour the paint out and all that stuff, I actually pop all the bubbles that I can pop. And if I stretch one out, you know, after I stretch it out, I also pop the bubbles. Another trick is that if you want, if it does look like it's going to bring up the color on the back, like the base paint, I dip my X-Acto blade into a color and get a little bit of the color from one of the colors I'm using, and I pop the bubble, and I just kind of let the paint just fill that little hole or that little gap. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. On this one, I forgot to hit record after I took the last tile off. And about this time, I am probably about 5 minutes past bedtime routine, as I can tell by the the people behind me. But I'm hurrying through this. Again, you all know this process can take a little bit, and it is what it is, and it'll be alright. So, again, I don't know if you can see, I'm like doing the voiceover. I'm looking at the tiles on the side, on the right-hand side. Just, yeah. Video just doesn't do it justice, y'all. It just doesn't do it justice. So I decided with these, as you can tell, like I put my colors down, and after that I just kind of, I don't know, I drizzle all the paint on there. That way I know I'm going to have every color when swiping, because I don't like to press down very hard when swiping. I kind of like to just glide over it, and so some of my paints will obviously stay where they were poured. And then when I stretch it out, it stretches out vibrant, you know. But if I don't have enough, like if that strip's not thick enough, then the outer rims are going to get less paint, if that makes sense. So they will be lighter and not as vibrant. So that is something to think about. But yeah, really enjoying this color scheme, even though it didn't come out quite like the person I'd seen. You know, I'm color scheme stealing, but I actually like it, so I'm good with it. Again, if you have any questions or anything, just shoot me a comment or something, Instagram or here on YouTube. It doesn't matter. I will try to answer all your questions. Or if you have something you want to see, like a color combination, I'm all ears. I mean, that's the hardest part for me, is picking colors out. Or if you want to see a different technique, I don't mind trying that either. I've done a couple of those over the year. So, yeah, if you have anything you want me to do, just, yeah, leave a comment. I'm going to get you down for a closer look here in a second of them. I think that one, I don't know which one's my favorite. I don't know if it's this one or another one, but yeah, here's a closer look at all of them. Golly, look at that. Yeah, and then obviously it does have a blue interference color that it's not really picking up, just because I can't, you know, get it in the frame with the picture and everything with the light. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching.